ProCut's been a cornerstone of Trimax really. It's the basis of all our rotary mowers to date. ProCut really dates right back to the Pride mowers. The first mowers I ever built in about 1979 was the first prototype. It was a 4-spindle, low-profile orchard mower, and ProCuts have developed from that. The ProCut's been very, very successful because it was ideal for the environment it was designed for. It's a very versatile, strong, reliable machine which has served us very well as in a commercial environment. It's robust, easy to service, well liked by customers because of its reliability. ProCut's always been extremely good as far as the long-term cost of ownership goes. They're so reliable and so solid and so repairable that we've got machines that are 20 plus years old and still running on a daily basis. Trimax has always been committed to innovation. The overall goal for the innovation team is to deliver products which are really, really useful to the customer, will help the customers do their job better and more economically.